Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to WooCommerce PDF invoices using a WordPress plugin. This is an excellent way to maintain brand consistency across all your customer-facing documents and give your invoices a more professional appearance. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now using your credentials. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your website. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here you'll find a variety of options for managing your site. Click on Plugins, and when you do, an expanded menu will appear with additional choices. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This is where you'll be able to browse and install new functionality for your WooCommerce store. You'll now find yourself on the Plugins page where you can see all the available plugins that can enhance your WooCommerce account. At the top of this page, locate the search bar and type in PDF Invoices. From the search results that appear, look specifically for WebToffee WooCommerce PDF Invoices, packing slips, delivery notes, and shipping labels. Before installing anything, it's always wise to know what you're getting, so click on more details to see a complete overview of this plugin. Take a moment to review its features and functions to ensure it meets your needs. Once you're satisfied and ready to proceed, click on Install Now. The installation process might take a little while to complete, so be patient and let it finish. Once the installation is done, you'll see the option change to Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Now that the plugin is activated, look back at your left navigation menu. You should now see a new option labeled Invoice/Packing. This is the plugin we just installed and activated. Click on it to access its settings. Under the Document tab at the top, click on Invoice. This will direct you to the Invoice General Settings page where you can customize how your invoices appear. To add your logo to your PDF invoices, scroll down through the settings until you find the section labeled Custom Logo for Invoice. This is exactly what we need. Simply click on the provided field to upload your logo file. Select your logo from your computer's files, and once it appears in the field, you'll know it's been successfully added. After you've added your logo, scroll down to the bottom right part of your screen and click on Update Settings to save all your changes. And there you have it.